Saad and Arhan, please give me a moment, Bacho. I'm just starting the class. Please allow me a moment.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. Okay, Saad and Arhan, is my screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure, that's good. Actually, switching on my camera, but my internet is not stable. So if I think that my internet is not stable, so I will switch on my off my camera. So sorry for that, everybody. Okay, okay. Any
Yes, sir.
any issue to anybody?
No, sir.
Just a moment. Let's start the class. Just a second. चलो ठीक है ओके चलो so in the last class what we have done, we have studied this distance and displacement. Yes, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's good.
Yes, sir.
Now it's time to study speed and velocity. Okay, okay. So speed and velocity. So Arhan and Saad, let's do a little bit recap, or you can say okay, just interaction. So what is speed? Both of you, please let me know.
Sir, can you repeat?
I'm asking what is speed?
Sir,
Anything that comes to your mind.
sir, the rate of change of position of an object in any direction.
Okay, okay. What about you, sir? Okay, so Arhan gave me the answer. What about you, sir?
It is also the distance travel per unit of time.
So basically, Arhan, so distance travel per unit time is the actual definition you can say, because rate of change of position is basically for the velocity. Okay. So rate of change of position is for the velocity, and rate of change, or sorry, distance traveled per unit time is called speed. And speed gives you the idea how much fast the object is moving. What is the like? Suppose that if I'm saying that you are traveling, yes, and by traveling, so what you will observe that basically you will be having some you can say you will be going with some kind of motion with anything that can measure, that can be measured, yes or no, Saad and Arhan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that
Yes.
gives you, so basically speed gives you idea of how much fast the object is moving. Okay, how much fast the object is moving and how much distance it is covering in per unit time. Clear, everybody?
Yes,
Saad,
sir.
Arhan? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
speed, yes. So basically, let's talk about speed first. ठीक है. So speed is the traveled unit time is called speed. Clear? The distance traveled per unit time is called speed. Clear, Arhan and Saad? Yeah. So let's do some basic things related to speed. What basically, okay, let me write down the formula as well. So after that, we will understand. So speed is equals to distance on distance upon time. Sorry for my bad writing. Actually, a little bit sweat is there. Sweat is there in the hands. That's why. So this speed. So now the next thing is basically. So let's scan. So basically, everybody. So what is the SI unit of distance?
Meter.
Right. What is the SI unit of SI unit of time?
Seconds.
Seconds. So yeah. So now by that, what can you observe? What will this SI unit of speed?
Meter per second.
Meter per second. Very good. SI unit of speed is meter per second. What is the full form of SI? What is the full form of SI? Any idea?
So it's system
International system.
international unit.
International system.
International system. Yes, international system. Okay. So sometimes happens. So basically, full forms comes for one marker. So please keep that thing in mind. Okay. So SI is SI unit of speed is meter per second. Okay. Next one thing is that I want to tell you is that basically speed cannot be negative. Speed cannot be negative. Similar to the distance, distance cannot be negative. I've told you. It can be zero if the object is in rest. And similar in the case of distance in the speed, if I basically make the distance equals to zero, so what would be the speed?
So it would be 0.
It would be zero. So it
Zero.
means that distance speed can be zero if object is not moving at all. Clear?
Yes.
So got it? My point? Everybody, both of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's good. Next, so I am so speed negative, or if object is in motion. Here, Saad and Arhan,
Yes, sir.
sure, no doubt.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Sure, that's good. So next is okay. So basically, speed is a scalar quantity. So what is a scalar quantity? Anybody, any idea? We have discussed this in the speed and distance and displacement.
So it is a quantity that only has a magnitude, not a direction.
Not direction. Magnitude means only number. If the quantity is having something, only number is represented with along with its unit. No direction, specific direction is given, right? Arhan and Saad, clear, bacho?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's good. So So it's just a second. So speed is scalar quantity. Okay. The speed is a scalar quantity. Just a second. Can I switch off my camera? Actually, unstable. I've shown message is shown that my camera is no, my connection is not stable. If you
Okay,
don't
sir.
mind.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Actually, I don't want that like because of the video, the audio also lags. And sorry for my bad writing. I hope it's readable for you.
Yes, sir, it is.
Chalo, ठीक है, that's good. Okay, one more thing, everybody. Like whenever you find any difficulty or anything, like don't hesitate while, okay, just boldly ask from me, and it can be any doubt, right? So that is my words. These are my words that you can ask me anytime, any topic, but try to be more relevant in the class, and after the class we can have different doubts as well apart from the topics. Got it? So don't worry about anything. Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear hai? So it is clear, this is the speed. One more thing, please tell me, speed is measured by which instrument? Anybody, any idea? Like the
Sir, a speedometer.
speedometer. Saad, what about you, bache? Arhan
speedometer.
gave the answer of speedometer.
Speedometer. Sir,
Yeah,
speedometer.
speedometer. Yes, speedometer. So speed speed is measured by speedo. Yeah. Any doubt, Bacho, so far? Please tell me.
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
So this is the basics. We will do the numericals as well. Don't worry about it. We will do the numericals. But so this is the fundamental or the fundamental concepts of the speed. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next is velocity. So velocity is basically the rate of change of position of an object is called velocity. Rate का word, rate, what does it mean by rate?
Distance.
No.
Sir, a value.
Okay, a value. So the rate, whenever you hear the word rate, it means that the quantity is divided by time. Change of position is what? Displacement?
Yes.
Yes or no? Change of position is displacement, na bacho?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rate
sir.
means displacement is divided by time. Rate means whenever you hear the word rate, always it will be divided by time. Whenever you hear the word rate, it always be divided by time. Rate, whenever, because rate means in every second what the value is basically having. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's what velocity. Okay, and velocity can be negative, can be zero, even even the object has covered some distance. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I will tell you why velocity is basically zero and all the things. Don't worry about it. Can be zero, negative, as well as positive. ठीक है? Okay. And what is the SI unit?
Meter per second.
Meter per second. And velocity is a scalar vector quantity or a scalar quantity?
Sir, a vector quantity.
Sir, vector.
Vector.
Vector quantity.
Any doubt so far to anybody?
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
that's just a second. Acha, Vacha, tell me, have you given any assessment in the previous class of distance and displacement?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, everybody?
No, sir. You said
No.
No, sir.
that you will give it in the next class.
ठीक है. So there will be an assessment.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Just a second. Okay. Velocity is a vector quantity. And I just forgot to write down the formula, that is velocity is equals to change in position by time. Clear? Or final velocity. Sorry, that is acceleration. Sorry, my bad.
So it's
Or
a
displacement
displacement
by
of
time. Displacement by. ठीक है? Any doubt so far?
No, sir.
Sure,
No,
that's
sir.
good. Yeah. So this is the velocity. Am I clear?
Yes.
Sure,
Yes, sir.
that's good. Just a second, let me take some questions. Just a second. Give me some. Yes, Sadhana Han, sorry for the interruption here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just a second. Okay, let's do this question. Just a second, yeah. Actually, my laptop is hanging. Actually, I'm connecting with the mobile data, na, so that's why um, laptop is hanging a little bit. Okay, let's do this question. Okay. So let's do this question, Vijay. So a scooterist is covering basically covering a distance of 3 kilometers in 5 minutes. Okay, so we have to cover. Okay, so we have. So a scooter is covering a distance of 3 kilometers. So distance is basically 3 kilometers, right? In 5 minutes. So it's basically impossible to cover 5 kilometer distance, 3 kilometers in 5 minutes. And time is equals to 5 minutes. Okay. Now basically we have to find the distances. And so minutes. Okay. So 3 kilometer distance is 5 minutes. We have to cover the in centimeter per second, meter per second, kilometer per second, per hour, sorry. देखो, first of all, if you have to convert this, let's do the first one, conversion. Centimeter per, is my voice audible to everybody?
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है. So centimeter per second, let's convert the distance into centimeters. So 3 kilometers are there. So if I convert this into meter, how many? Just a second, yaar. So distance is equals to 3 kilometers. So in meter, I have to multiply this into 1000 to convert it into meter.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have to multiply it by 10,000.
So अब we have to convert it into meter. I'm going to convert this into centimeter. Na? So 3000 into how many meters are there in 1 centimeter? Oh, sorry,
100.
how many centimeters are there in 1 meter? 100. So that would be 100. Now it is converted into centimeter. So it is 10 into how many? 5 zeros. 10 to the power 5 centimeter. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now it's time to convert
Yes, sir.
time into second. Is equals to 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is equals to 5 into how many minutes? 6 seconds are there in you can say in 1 minute?
60.
60.
60.
300.
ठीक है. So it would be 300 seconds. Now it's very easier to calculate.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to write this down as 3 to the power 10 seconds. Okay. Speed will be equals to distance divided by 3 into 10 to the power 5. So 3 will cancel this, yes or no? And 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this will basically add up because exponents are same.
Yes, sir.
So 5 minus 2 will be equals to 10 to the power 3. It is equals to 1000
Meter per second.
centimeter per second.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far?
No, sir.
So now let's convert it into meter. So meter, it's very easy because we have already converted into meter. So day would be equals to 3000 meter, yes or no, Asad and Arhan?
Yes, sir.
And time would be,
Yes, sir.
that would be 300 second already.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. So just a second. Okay. So speed will be equals to distance by time is equals to 3000 divided by 300. To 2 zeros will cancel.
10 meter per second.
10 meter per second.
10 meter per second. So that would be per second. Clear? Now, please do the in kilometer per hour. Try to convert and let me know the answer.
Okay, sir.
Yes, buddy. Farhan Saab.
Sir, I got the answer.
You got the answer. That's very good.
It's around 36.14 kilometer per hour.
चलो ठीक है. Okay, Saad, what about you? Saad? चलो कोई बात नहीं. Let's do it together. ठीक है? कोई बात नहीं. Don't worry. So 3 kilometers already is given. Time is 5 minutes. So now please tell me everybody, if I need to convert this into hour, what should I do?
So we need to divide it by 60.
We need to divide it by 60. Basically how many minutes are there in 1 hour?
60.
60. So it means that 5 by 60 hours. Yes or no, Saad, is this clear to you, bache? Please tell me. Saad, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think, Saad, you are having some internet issue, bache.
Okay.
I'm just asking whether you have or not. Chalo, koi baat nahi. So it would be cancelled by 12 times. Clear? So that would be 1 by 12 hour. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So speed would be equals to distance. Till now, any doubt to anybody? Is equals to 3 divided by 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 will go in the numerator because it's a double division.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this 1 by 12 will go in the numerator. So it would be 3. So it is 36 kilometer per hour. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Saad and Arman, can we take a 1 minute pause due to like it's Hazan right now?
Okay, sir.
Just 1 minute. Yes, everybody. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's
Yes.
okay. So, Arhan gave me a right answer about 34.16, right? I think you made a mistake somewhere.
Sir, 36.14.
At the 36.14. Okay. So maybe you have made any minor mistake. So that's why
Sir, I
1.14 is given.
converted 1 upon 12 into decimals that way.
Okay, okay. No need to convert. Always, देखो, whenever you can directly think that 3 and 12 are the multiples of each other. So somehow they will be going to cancel each other or they will be getting multiplied, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So let's do one more calculation. It's basically the conversion of units into meter per second and kilometer per hour. Okay, because this is a very important conversion, because if you have no idea how to convert the meter per second into kilometer per hour and kilometer per hour into meter per second, you won't be able to solve some of the questions. So let's convert it. So this is not the actual part of the this is the kind of you can say basic calculation, because I'm taking at this as a topic. Okay, so now let's convert. So this is a very important thing. Okay, and you can also remember this ratio. Conversion of units. Now let's convert this into 1 kilometer per hour into 1 meter per second. So how many in 1 kilometer, everybody, how many meters are there?
Sir, 1000.
1,000.
1000.
How many minutes, how many seconds are there in 1 hour? Let's convert one. It is basically 60 minutes.
Sir, 1200.
No, not 1200 here. 60 into 60. It would be 36, which is
Oh, yeah, sir.
36 seconds. So now we have to convert this into meter per second. So that would be 1 kilometer per hour will be equals to, because 1 kilometer is all converted into meter per second, that would be 1000 divided by 3600. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Two zeros will get cancelled. Only 10 is left. So 2 fives are 10 and 2 eights are 8. 18 to the 36. So 5 by basically 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt to anybody?
Sir, it's around 0.27, right?
So that's around. So there, like, because if you convert it into decimal, na, your answer would mismatch. But if you take it like if the question is saying that convert this into decimal, so that this makes a sense. If they are not asking, or sometimes they are easily divisible. So that's in that case you can divide. Else leave that in the fraction itself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what you need to do? Now tell me. Now how do you convert 1 meter per second into 1 kilometer per hour? So into kilometer per hour. Similarly, you just need to what? You will just shift the 18 by 5 by 18 on the left hand side. This would become 1 meter per second will be equals to 18 by 5 kilometer. Yes or no? Clear it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's do one question based on that. Nico, I'm just giving you one suggestion, Micho, that always prefer hard work in the practice and smart work in the exams. Okay, clear?
Yes.
All so while when you are doing the practice, always prefer hard work instead of using calculator, calculate it on your own. When you are in the exams, try to think how it can be resolved by doing any huge calculation or complex calculation. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I hope you got my point, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha, chalo, I'm giving you one question. Try to do this one and let me know. Don't worry, just try at least. I'm not saying that you have to find the answer at all. I'm just asking to basically practice, like try at least only. I will give you, like, I will explain it to you. Don't worry about that. Acha, Bachu, any answer?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Solve it. Giving
No,
you
sir.
one more minutes. Minute.
Sir, I got the answer.
Okay, very good. Is this Saad or Arhan?
Sir, Arhan.
Okay, Arhan. Very good, Bachu. Very good. What's your answer? Which one is traveling faster, A or B?
Sir, B is traveling faster
B is
since
traveling
B is
faster.
traveling 45 kilometer per hour.
Per hour, yeah.
Meanwhile, A is
40 kilometers per hour.
yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good. Asad, what about you, dear?
Sir, B is traveling faster.
Yes, very good, very good, very good, everybody. Very good. That's the thing I wanted from your side. Very good. So let's find it out. Okay, so speed A, I'm writing not speed, distance A लिख देता हूँ. Let's calculate let's distance A. Distance A is equals to कितना है? 120 किलोमीटर. Time A is equals to 3 hours. क्या? Distance B कितना है आपका? 180 किलोमीटर. टाइम B कितना है आपका? Per hour. ठीक है. So speed A and distance A. By time. Equals to 120 divided by equals to. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
चलो, now it's speed B. आगे.
मुझे पता था मेरे पास दिमाग लेकिन आज वो कुछ पता तो मुझे कोई स्टार्ट दिमाग की बस लेके मैंने कितना फोन आ रहे थे
45 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ठीक है. Clear? So that's how you. So obviously speed B is greater than speed A. Clear? So that is your answer. Any doubts so far to anybody, बच्चों? Please
Yes.
tell me. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. That's good. I hope you enjoyed the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Like physics is a little bit tough, but when you basically analyze and try to be in the depth of the physics, so you will find interesting. You will find this subject interesting, very interesting, as well as maths as well. Okay. So I hope you are clear. Any doubts so far to anybody? Saad and Arhan?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, that's good. So that's all for this class then, everybody. So in the coming classes, we will do some more numericals based on that, and we will do the uniform and non-uniform acceleration, non-uniform and non-uniform motion. And after that, acceleration.